So hello students, um, I hope you have seen from this question number 1 exercise 1c 1 and 2 in the last video. Okay, how I've solved, and I hope you have tried number 3 also by yourself. But in case you have not understood, you didn't get the answer, or you want more clarity on the sum, then here is sum number 3 which I'm going to do for you. Okay, so this is sum number 3. The given number here is 2025, and we have to do here the prime factorization of 2025. Okay, so before we do, first we copy 2025 here like this, and since this prime factorization, we should divide by prime numbers. So as you know, the first prime number is 2. So let us see whether this 2025 can be divided by 2 or not. Then I told you that for a number to be divided by 2, it should be even number. That means now this 2025, you have to check whether it's even or odd. If it's even number, you divide by 2. If it's odd number, leave 2. Go to next number. Okay. So first of all, say 2025. What's the unit digit here? The unit digit is here 5. And check for odd number, the unit digit is also 5. For even number, these are the unit digit. But for odd number, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And here, since the unit digit is 5 here, so clearly now it is odd number. Odd number we cannot divide by 2. So the prime number 2 is gone from here. We cannot divide by 2. We cannot divide by 2. So the next prime number is what? 3. We should divide by 3 then. That means. But for 3, again same thing. Don't directly and spoil your time and copy. Okay. First you test for 3. Remember I told you test for difficulty. Let's test this number and whether we can divide by 3 or not. Let's be sure before we write. So I told you that for 3 you should add all the numbers, all the digits here, and you have to find out the total. And that total you have to check whether that total comes in the table of 3 or not, is a multiple of 3 or not. Okay, so let's add them. 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 2 4, and 4 plus 5 9. Sorry, if 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 will give us 9. 5 plus 2 7 8 9 9. So the sum here is 9. Here the sum is 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 is 9. And thus 9 come in the table of 3? Yes. 3 3s are 9. Yes, it comes. So it means that now confirm that this 2025 we can divide by 3, because the sum is multiple of 3. Okay, the sum is multiple of 3. So let's divide them. Now suppose while doing divide, I should start with the first digit, but first digit is only 2, and 2 is smaller than 3. Dividend is smaller than divisor. So what I'll do, if it's smaller, then I should take it's allowed to take one more digit here. That means now it's 20. Now keep saying table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 is 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. 21 is bigger, so that's why 3 6 are 18. So imagine that there's 18 here. 3 6 are 18. Now we subtract 20 minus 18, 2. 20 minus 18, 2. That 2 will go and join with this 2 from the side. This 2 is already here, and 20 minus 18 2, so now it's 22. No, remainder will go and attach itself with this 2 from the left. So that remainder 2 and this 2 become 22. Now table of 3. 3 6 are 18, and 3 7s are 21. 21, so smaller because it's 22. So 3 7s are 21, because 3 8s are 24. 24 will be bigger. 3 8 times will be bigger. That's why 3 7s are 21. So remember it was 22. The 22 minus 21 will be 1, and that 1 remainder will go and join itself with this 5. 1 and this 5. Remainder 1 and this 5, now 15. And table of 3. 3 5s are 15. That means 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18 2. 2 and 2 22. 3 7 are 21. 22 minus 21 1. 1 and 5 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. So in this way we have finished for first part. Okay, this 3. Now again, see, I want to tell you one thing clearly, that now no need to test for 2 again, because if you're not able to divide in the beginning, then later stage also will not be able to divide by 2 anymore. So 2 will never come now, because it's odd number. In the beginning it's odd number, every time it will be odd number. But 3 we have been able to do. Now that's why again you start with 3 first, and if you cannot divide by 3, then you go for 5, 7, 11 like this. Okay, but for 3 again same rule, we have to add all the digits and we have to see the total. Does it come, is it a multiple of 3 or not? Okay, so let's add all this. 6 plus 7 plus 5. So add all this. 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. And yes, 18 comes into the 3, 3, 6, 18. So yes, 18 is a multiple of 3. Yes or no? 18 comes in multiple of 3. Sum is 18 and 18 is a multiple of 3. So yes, we can divide by 3. Okay. So now it's bigger. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now again see only 7, no carry this time. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 is 9, 9 is bigger. So that's why 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6. Now so we have to subtract. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. That carry 1 will go and join 5 from left. So 1 and 5, 15. And 3 5s are 15. Okay, so understood? 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, carry 1 after subtraction. Then 1 and 5, 15, 3 5 are 15. So now again we should try by 3 again, because we have done by 3. So again we'll try by 3. Okay, whether we can do it. Again same rule, you add all this. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9. Total is 9, and 9 is a multiple of 3 also. 3 3 is a 9. So yes, we can divide by 3. And this time again 2 is smaller than 3, so we should take 2 digits. 22 now. Table of 3. 3 7s are 21, because we should take smaller, not bigger, or equal. So 3 7s are 21. So 22 minus 21, 1. 1 will go and then 5. The 1 and 5, 15. And 3 5s are 15. Okay. So the number becoming smaller, but not 1 yet. So we have to carry on. Again we should try by 3. But for 3 again we have to add first 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. And 3 4s are 12. I guess we can divide by 3. So we should do only for 7. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 are 9. 9 bigger. So 3 2s are 3 2 times 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 and 5, 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now see, can you divide this 25 by 3? Let's add again. 5 plus 2 or 2 plus 5, 7. And 7 doesn't come in the table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7 are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7 9. 7 doesn't come in the table of 3. That's why no need to try by 3. That means what? 25 we cannot divide by 2 because it's an odd number. We cannot divide by 3 because sum is not multiple of 3. Then whose turn now? Next prime number is 5, because we're doing prime factorization, we should by 5. So let's divide this by 5. But what's the test for 5? Remember, a number you can divide by 5 only if the unit digit. In the test of digit video I showed you that a number you can divide by 5 only if the unit digit is either 0 or 5. And since it's 5 a unit digit, unit 10 100 unit, so we can divide by 5. So recall table of 5. 5 5 10, 5 15, 5 20, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. So we got 5. And students see 5. 5 is a prime number. The moment you see prime number, do not waste time. Prime number we should divide by itself. 5 1s are 5. Okay. Clear? So in this way we have got here 1. So when you got 1, you stop. Then therefore we can write the answer. Therefore prime factorization of 2025 is equal to what? So write this all. What you got? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. And now write power notation. 3 is the prime number, prime factor. And how many times 3 coming? 4 times. 1 2 3 4. So raised to power 4. 5 is the prime factor, and 5 coming 2 times. So 5 raised to power 2. So that's the answer. Okay. I hope you have understood. Thank you, students.